Alright, let's dive into this because it's a story that's got the cricket world buzzing. And personally, I think it's about time we unpacked it. So, here's the deal. Sarfaraz Khan is reportedly set to replace the injured Sai Sudharsan in India's squad for the upcoming Test series against Sri Lanka. Now, on the surface, this might seem like a straightforward injury replacement, but if you take a step back and think about it, there's a lot more going on here. What makes this really interesting is Sarfaraz's journey. A player who's been knocking on the door of international cricket for years, yet somehow always seemed to be just out of reach. This could be his moment, and honestly, it's about time. From my perspective, Sarfaraz's potential inclusion isn't just about filling a spot. It's a statement about form, persistence, and the kind of cricket India wants to play. He's a player known for his aggressive batting, especially in domestic cricket, where he's consistently piled on runs. But here's the thing, what many people don't realize is that Sarfaraz's style could bring a different dimension to India's middle order. In Test cricket, where patience is often the name of the game, his ability to score quickly could be a game-changer, especially in tricky situations. Now, let's talk about Sudharsan for a second. His injury is unfortunate, no doubt, and it's a reminder of how brutal the sport can be. He's been working hard at the Center of Excellence in Bengaluru, but clearly the timeline didn't work out. What this really suggests is the fine line between being match-fit and being match-ready. Rehabilitation is one thing, but stepping onto the field against a quality side like Sri Lanka in their backyard, that's a whole different ball game. And while we're on the topic of injuries, let's not forget the bigger picture here. India's squad is dealing with a string of them: Shubman Gill's finger, Jasprit Bumrah's knee, Harshit Rana's hamstring, the list goes on. This raises a deeper question. Are we seeing the toll of a packed international calendar, or is it just bad luck? Personally, I think it's a mix of both. Players are being pushed to their limits, and sometimes the body just says, enough. What's fascinating to me is how India is navigating this. Aqib Nabi coming in for Bumrah, KL Rahul stepping up as captain in Gill's absence. These are big moves. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. This series is part of the ICC World Test Championship 2025-27 cycle. India is currently 5th in the standings, and every match counts. So, the pressure's on not just to win, but to win convincingly. One thing that immediately stands out is how this situation could shape the future of India's Test team. Sarfaraz getting a chance now could be a turning point for him, and honestly, I'm here for it. But it also makes me wonder, what does this mean for the players who are out? Will Sudharsan get another shot once he's fully fit? Will Bumrah's absence force India to rethink their bowling strategy long-term? These are questions that don't have easy answers, but they're worth asking. If you ask me, this series is more than just a bilateral contest. It's a test of India's depth, resilience, and adaptability, and that's what makes cricket so compelling. It's not just about the runs scored or wickets taken. It's about the stories behind them. So, as we head into the series, I'll be watching closely not just for the results, but for what they reveal about the team's character. Here's my closing thought. Cricket, at its core, is a game of opportunities. For Sarfaraz, this could be the opportunity he's been waiting for. For India, it's a chance to show that they can thrive even when the odds are stacked against them. And for us fans, it's a reminder of why we love this sport, because you never quite know what's going to happen next. So, let's buckle up and enjoy the ride. What do you think? Is Sarfaraz the right choice? Or is there someone else you'd have picked? Let me know in the comments below.